In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Rufus program on your Windows computer. Whether you are on Windows 10 or 11, this process is the same. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to install Rufus, first go to any browser and search for Rufus like that. And if I run search now, I'll be taken to Rufus official website. So Rufus helps you to create portable USB drives with ease. If you click on this website, now we have the download page here. Scroll down and find the latest release for your computer. So I'll go to the latest. I'll download this latest version by just clicking on it. By doing so, you can see the download is on, and now I have here the file downloaded. I'll click on this folder containing the file to run the installer, and here's the installer. To install it, just double click on it or right click on it and choose run as administrator. By clicking on this, confirm by clicking on yes, and choose whether you want to allow Rufus to check for application update online. If you want, proceed with yes. If you don't, just click on no, and now here Rufus is already installed. From now henceforth, you can now start using Rufus for converting your drive. So that's how you can install Rufus on your Windows computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.